guys, it's Christy McFit, and today I'll be showing you how to host the most impressive lazy girl Cinco de Mayo. I found the easiest, fastest, and borderline foolproof snacks and crafts that will make your special day a little bit more fun. Come check out what I have here. I'm doing this for the lazy divas who don't want any stress, mess, or complicated recipes, but still want to show their friends how to have a good time on this special holiday. Let's start with something that will make your place instantly festive. I'm talking an easy decoration that still symbolizes the pride, joy, beauty, and vibrant spirit of Mexican culture. We're gonna start with the Mexican paper flower. You're gonna grab 8 layers of paper, have it out in front of you long ways, and start folding it accordion style. I personally made mine multicolored, so I did a mix of dark red, bright red, orange, and yellow, all interchanging. So we'll see how this comes out. Paper flowers are often crafted to look like Mexico's national flower, the dahlia, or the marigold. In history, they've also been used to decorate spaces when flowers weren't readily bloomed. So say if flowers weren't bloomed in the winter, they would use these paper flowers as decoration to brighten up the space. Paper is also frequently used because it brightens up the space in a very budget-friendly manner. You'll also see papel picado, which are hung as decorations at Mexican parties and celebrations, and they're closely related to the Mexican paper flower. So once you've folded all of your paper accordion style, you're gonna fold it in half so everything should be aligned. You're gonna cut these rough corners here, and then you're gonna cut these corners in a U shape to make flower petals. Corners are cut. Now we're gonna cut that U shape to give the flower petal effect. Ooh, it's dense. You're gonna need some strong scissors. I try to do it like, it might not be even, but I'll do it less layers by layers. Okay, last attempt at cutting even U across all the petals. Okay, they're somewhat even. Next, you're gonna unfold. So you're gonna get a shape like this. It's gonna have a little cinch in the middle, like my waist, and then the flower petals on each end. You're gonna take either a twisty wire thing or a rubber band or a stapler, and you're gonna put it in the little cinch. I'm just gonna take a rubber band. This is gonna hold your petals in place while you spread them out and make a beautiful flower. Start spreading your petals. Full bloom moment. This will take a while, so you have to have some patience, but the end result is so worth it. My paper is a bit crinkly and it looks off. I feel like something went wrong here, but what I'm gonna do is tape these top and bottom ends together and probably keep spreading. Okay. It's beautiful and I love the colors I chose. And also, the petals didn't totally fail. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if it was a fail or if I actually did a good job. Next craft, I'll be doing Mexican party poppers. These party poppers are like mini piñatas. So, you're gonna start with a bunch of different colored tissue paper. You'll probably have a lot left over from the other craft. Next, you're gonna take a clear plastic cup, or you could always use toilet paper or paper towel cartons, like once you're done using it. That'll work just the same. And if it's a paper towel, you'll cut it up into smaller segments. You're gonna need candy, some scissors, a pen, some string or rope, and I have mini M&Ms here to go with the candy as well, so when you pop the piñata, it has a little fun explosion. And lastly, you'll need a hot glue gun. But I think it could also be done without the hot glue gun. I just use it for ease. You're gonna start by taking your cup or paper towel or toilet paper holder and put some candy inside. Let's put some M&Ms in. Ooh, so colorful and pretty. You're gonna take your string, make a little loop around it, like so. And then you're gonna take one of your pieces of candy, you're gonna hot glue gun the rope to the candy. Be careful with the hot glue gun, guys. Like that. Take your rope and smush it in gently and let it set for a few seconds. You're gonna take your cup or container full of candy and place the candy in so it'll rest like this on the edge. And you're gonna take one of your tissue papers and fold it. You probably wanna cut it into a smaller square as well. Just cutting this into a square. Well, I have 2 squares here. Fold that square in half, make a little slit in the middle. You'll have this opening where you'll put the string through that slit, and that's what you'll pull when it's time to pop. So you're gonna secure this around the base, so it'll look like that. You're gonna hot glue gun around the base. Be careful once again. Doesn't have to be pretty just yet, just as long as it's secure. Next up, you're gonna cut your other pieces of tissue paper into long strips to make a skirt around the mini piñata. So choose different colors, make it fun. I'm gonna do a few layers so it's a bit thicker. But now that the glue is dried, I can kind of make it a little cleaner underneath. So let's see how long you'll need the strip to be. About there, place that to the side. And you're gonna cut the same amount of strip in each color. What I'm doing here is just lining up all of the paper so I can use that original strip as my example of how thick I'll have each layer. So now you have many layers that you can use for your fringes. You're just gonna make little slits, like your piñata's wearing a little skirt. Okay, so now we have a bunch of different colors that will be glued on to that to make a little fringe skirt. So cute. I'll do one side at a time so I don't burn myself. Oh, lay it on there, like that. Okay, that'll be the first layer of the skirt. More glue to add more layers. And this is how your popper should come out. Hopefully better than mine because I'm not artistically gifted, as I mentioned, so things are a bit janky, but since you get the idea of it, you could still follow this. Ready to pull it? 3, 2. Whoa! All the candy and M&Ms fell out. Look at that, my little mini piñata. So much fun! Congratulations, you made it to the snack part of the video. We're gonna be making cactus pretzel rods and mini Oreo tacos. For the cactus pretzel rods, you will need big pretzel rods, white chocolate, food coloring, white sprinkles, and a cute pop. You're gonna start by melting the white chocolate in a separate bowl. Because I'm a lazy girl, and I know y'all are lazy divas, or divos, I'm gonna microwave these. I'm not gonna microwave it too long to start. I'm gonna microwave it for a few seconds, then stir, another few seconds, then stir, and repeat the process until all of these nonpareils are completely melted down. You're gonna melt the chocolate in 10 to 20 second intervals at a time. We're gonna start with 15 seconds. Okay, the chocolate melted a little bit more down at 30 seconds. Ooh, so smooth and creamy. Gonna stir that. Very nice. The chocolate melted beautifully, and it only took 10 seconds at the beginning, 30 seconds next, and then another 2 rounds of 10 seconds. I'm gonna take my green food coloring and start slow, because I'm sure this is very, very staining. We're gonna make it like a cactus green. That's what we're going for. 1 drop, let's see what that does. Ooh, that's a strong green. That's so pretty, it's like a tie-dye. Oh my goodness. We're not quite there yet. Let's add another drop. We're not trying to make it alphabet green, so. Take your pretzel rod and coat it in the green. I made a mistake. I think it made it quite cold, so I'm gonna mold it with my hands. I molded the chocolate around the pretzel because it started to harden, and I'm gonna put the sprinkles. These sprinkles are gonna look like the cactus spikes. How cool. Spread all throughout, press them in. Your cactus is starting to form. Place it on a clean plate and keep going. Just make a couple of them. I have my cacti done, and it's just about placing them in the pot that I told you to grab earlier. I'm gonna put them in here. Very cute. A pot full of cactus. And they might be falling over at first. First, I'm gonna place them. For the sake of the video, I'm just putting them in between some paper towels so you can see how they look propped up when the pot is full. But it looks really cool to me. What do you guys think? Do they look realistic? I think they look pretty realistic. When you're doing this at home or doing it for an event, you could put some brown sugar, you can put rice, you can do crushed up Oreos as your sand. It'll look really, really amazing. And it tastes great too. Next up, we're making dessert Oreo tacos. I know, it doesn't make sense at all, but this is what you're gonna need. Golden Oreos, the mini M&Ms again, but I separated all of the reds, some shredded coconut, your green dye again, and a pair of gloves for all of that. And some chocolate icing and a butter knife. Let's see what this is all about. This is crazy. You're gonna start by separating the golden Oreo from its creamy center and putting it on a separate plate. You're gonna split the Oreo in half. Hopefully, I get a perfect half. That's good enough. Oh, that one broke for me. I didn't even do anything. It just snapped in half. These will make the taco shells. And we're gonna take the shredded coconut, put our gloves on, and add some green dye to make the lettuce of the taco. So cute. Really well, so it looks like real shredded lettuce. Check that out. Looks like shredded lettuce. So cute. The real fun begins now. So we're gonna take each end. The Oreo logo will be on the inside of the taco, so the taco will look like that. I'm gonna take your chocolate icing and make the little ground beef in one of the sides. Then you're gonna sandwich your Oreo together, like so. Create the taco. Smush them together. I'm gonna stick a little bit. Then you're gonna top it with some red, then you're gonna top it with some of that fake lettuce. It already looks like a taco. This is so cool. And then you're gonna top it with the red M&Ms that I separated. And then I took the white sprinkles from earlier, and I'm gonna add it on top like some cheese, some queso. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these. Here's a clean plate. And I'm actually gonna take some of that Oreo cream from earlier to use it as a little stand for the taco. That is an improvisation from me. Oh my gosh, it looks like a little taco. Now, repeat, and I won't make you sit through all of it. You know, I wasn't able to get a good clean on the inside, so I realized the Oreo logo being on the outside kind of looks cute. It adds texture to the taco, but check it out. What do you guys think? Do these look like real tacos? I think they do. I'm very impressed with how the shredded coconut came out. All right, guys, that is all that I have for you for the crafts and snacks video of today. Let me know if you thought it was a success or a fail, and if you think you could do better than me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Feliz Cinco de Mayo!